Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your boarding pass on Expedia. This is a straightforward process that lets you check in for your flight and access your boarding pass without having to navigate through the airline's website separately. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in, look up to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see an option labeled Trips. Click on it to access all your travel bookings. Once you're in the Trips section, navigate to the Booked tab. This is where you'll find a complete list of all your upcoming and past bookings, including flights, hotels, and other travel arrangements. Scroll through this list to locate the specific flight you need to check in for. Now, if for some reason you're having trouble finding your booking in the list, Expedia provides an alternative way to locate it. Simply click on Find Your Booking. This will prompt you to enter your itinerary number, which you can usually find in your confirmation email. After entering the number, click Continue, and it will pull up your booking details. Speaking of emails, here's a helpful tip. Expedia automatically sends you a confirmation email whenever you complete a booking. Check your inbox for this email as it contains all your flight details, including your itinerary number and booking reference. This can be incredibly useful if you need to quickly access information about your trip. Once you've located the correct flight, verify it by checking the date and airline to make sure you're looking at the right booking. Then go ahead and click on that trip to open the detailed booking page. On the trip page, you'll see various options related to your booking. Look for the option that says Check In or Check In Online. This button is usually clearly marked and easy to spot. Click on it to begin the check-in process. You'll now be taken to a page where you can review important details. Take a moment to carefully verify that the passenger names match exactly what's on your travel documents and that all other details are correct. This step is crucial because any discrepancies can cause issues at the airport. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Next or Continue to proceed. After the system processes your check-in, your boarding pass will appear on the screen. You'll see your name, flight number, seat assignment, and all the essential details you need for boarding. To save or print a copy of your boarding pass, look for the Download or Print Boarding Pass button. Clicking this will save a PDF copy to your device that you can either print out or keep on your phone for scanning at the airport. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your boarding pass through Expedia, making your airport experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.